Hello and welcome to Tech Shorts, and this is how to add a little more style to your page. So now that you got your page set up and you're ready to flow a class on here, but you want to add a little bit more or make it stand out just a little bit. So some of the things you can do is you can actually change the text color. So if we click on here, we can come up to the toolbar that opened up, come over here to color, and we can scroll down and change the color. So if we want something more along the lines like this, we can. And then we can add, if we want to add a border, we can add a stroke style around it. So if you want to add a little more style to this accent piece here, we can click on this. We can come up to the magic wand here, click the down arrow, come down to drop shadow, click on glow. Here we can change the color. We can change the opacity. So we can bring this down just a little bit if we want. We could change the blur. So we could keep that probably about here. There we go. We added a little bit something right here. Here, the teacher photo, let's add a little drop shadow. So we can click on it, come back up to the format and effects, come down here to drop shadow. Here we go with the drop shadow. We can change the distance. So we can add just a little bit more, maybe an 8's good. The degree, change where it is. So you can see that as we move this around, the drop shadow changes location. We want it right there. The opacity changes whether it's a solid color or whether it's see-through. Give it a little bit of a blur. Here we have a nice background. Now if we want the name to also have a drop shadow, we can click on the name, come up to the format and effects on this screen, click on drop shadow, check the distance a little bit, maybe change the degree, maybe we want it to about the same as the teacher's photo, leave everything else the way it's at. We can click off and there we have a drop shadow. And here we have a page that has just a little bit of extra style, something to make it stand out just a little bit more. And this is how to add some style to your page. Thank you for watching.